Hey queens, welcome back to the queendom. It's me, your Heyyyy Queen, also known as your girl Celestina. Today I brought back a look, the final look for my yellow series, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will definitely see you in my next one. My next Tame Frame eyebrow gel in the shade Expresso. I'm going to be filling in my brows, period. Starting with outlining my bottom brow first, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the top and then fill in the remainder of the brow with the product, the leftover product that's on my brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, and I'm just going to carve out my brows, make them sharp, you know what I'm seeing. We're gonna do this for the top and the bottom. No cap, I really gave y'all like a full in-depth tutorial of my brows in this video, because usually I'll just like leave out certain parts because, you know, it gets repetitive, but in this video I really synchronized all my clips, so you know, y'all got a little taste of, you know, how I do my brows. So, you know, until I get that brow video up, y'all can reference to this video. Oh shit, that was a good catch, bro. Going in with my Lurella Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Hugs, and I'm going to put this down in my crease. Y'all know the routine, y'all know how I do. I pack my eyeshadows on first and then I blend them out as I go. I pack on the color, then I blend it out. Taking another Lurella Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's called the Rockin Moroccan. I'm gonna take that Arabic shade, which is just like, you know, bright yellow, and I'm gonna put that at the top of that first shade that I used. Okay. Okay, so honestly, when I sat down and did this look, I was just like, I honestly didn't know how I wanted to do it. I just kind of figured the colors I wanted to use. So right here you see me, you know, smoking it out or whatever the case may be. One of the techniques that I used before. And that's not how it, you know, ends up. I had to take a little detour in the video. So yeah. Taking this orange shade, it's called At Last, and then I'm going to be packing it where I kind of like smoked it out. See, now what I was trying to do, I was trying to add orange, yellow, and I was trying to make a red with that first shade that I used. And it just, I don't know, I was really going for like a hot girl type of thing, you know, for the last, you know, yellow series, but girl, the look came together, but it just took me a while to get it together. So yeah, basically I'm packing on this orange right now, and then I'm going back in with that first pink reddish shade that we use to like kind of blend and marry the eyeshadows together. Now I'm gonna take my micellar water and my Q-tip, and then we just gonna baby disappear these the eyeshadow off my lids, and then we're gonna get ready and prep it for a cut crease. Taking that same P. Louise base, I'm gonna be using that to cut my crease. Y'all know I don't even be using concealer no more. Like, concealer is the old days, girl. Like, P. Louise me please, base me please, cause nah, it makes your eyeshadows pop so well. It's just, I love it. I love it. But now y'all gotta give me props for these angles, because honey, usually like this is really the first video that I really be like, oh wow, like you can really like see everything for real. So I'm just like, I'm proud of myself. So you know, but I'm taking that orange shade that we used, and I'm just flaring it like I'm making eyeliner, if that makes sense. I'm just kind of going in a diagonal motion and just making like a, you know, cute little shape, because I just didn't want it to be no regular old cut crease. So I just, you know, made it pop a little bit. Taking the little nude shade, I actually don't know the name of it right now, but I'm gonna be setting the remainder of what's showing. So now I'm taking some colored eyeliner. Okay, I got these from Beats by Deb Cosmetics. Y'all, this is fire. Like, it's literally like paint. You'll just have it, you dab a little water in it, and then it activates the eyeliner. Boom. I had to use this yellow eyeliner for this look. It was just so dope, like, period. Now I'm going to be taking my glitter. This is from Fire Glam Cosmetics, and I'm going to be putting my glitter down just on the outer edges of my eyeshadow where I cut the crease. And I used my Duo brush on glue to put it on. So after applying my mascara, I'm going to be putting on my lashes, and I double stacked these lashes. So I think I used like lashes from Bold Face Makeup, and I probably used some lashes from AliExpress. Y'all, I just be mixing and matching sometimes when I like run lashes or whatever. But I really do need to rip on some lashes. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty face primer, and I'm just going to be coating my face with that so we can start our foundation. Taking my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 1 Honey. And I'm going to put this all over my face using my Crayon Case Beauty Blender. Taking my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J24 Tokyo. I'm going to be putting that all over my highlighted areas, which is under the eyes, the chin, the cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Contour Matchstick in the shade Truffled. I'm going to be contouring this lovely face. You know, I'm going to do it on the hollows of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, on the sides of my forehead, and up under my lip. Now I'm taking my Airspun powder and my Crayon Case chalk dust powder, and I'm going to be setting my face / baking. I use the Airspun first to kind of like set my face, and I use the Crayon Case powder to like brighten my highlight areas up under my eyes, you know, just to give that, you know, a nice little lifted look, you know, without the Botox. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And then after that, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Private Island, and then we're gonna set our contour area. So now I'm taking my blush by what is this brand? Milani Cosmetics, and I'm going to, you know, rose up my cheeks. I don't know what happened to that clip for real. I really don't even know. I think my camera died when I was trying to put it on, but I showed y'all the product. So now I'm just taking my NYX eyeshadow white base, and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line to prep for my bottom eyeshadow. Taking this peach shade, I'm going to put that right below my lower lash line. I only did one color this time. Usually I do two, but I just did one color. I just feel like it was just like the icing on the cake. So if you use like a white base and then go on top with the eyeshadow, it makes your eyeshadow stick way more. So now I'm taking some setting spray. This is my Fenty setting spray. I'm just going to be bow, you know, setting it all down. And then I'm going in with my red lipstick. This is from Nakir, and it's in the shade 15. Going in with my Makeup Revolution HD Pro highlighter kit. I'm gonna be taking it's like a gold shade. It's like that mixture, that cluster shade that I'm gonna be using. It's like 3 or 4 highlighters these together, and it just gives me that nice little gold, you know, shine and shimmer I want. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, make sure you stay safe out there, wash the hands, disinfect, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next. Try to keep it curly, try to straighten this, curly, straighten it, curly, straighten it. That shit is straighten. So yeah, this is the end of my makeup or whatever. But I don't like the hair. I feel like I'm just over the curls. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give myself a little transformation, and I'm going to go from this, and I'm gonna straighten it, give myself a little bob. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Period. So yeah, this is the last look. This will conclude my yellow series. I hope you guys enjoyed all of my looks. If you didn't catch all my looks, honey, you probably not following me on Instagram, okay? That's what you need to do right below. Follow me on the gram.